it's Irish Investor here, and this is just an update on my dividends portfolio. It is from the Trading 212 app. Okay, it is the primary kind of pie, the most popular one, over kind of 1.1 million views basically. This video will just show you how well it's doing or how bad it is. Okay, I'll be making a video every few weeks or so just to kind of clue you in exactly what's happening with it. Okay, kind of showing you everything in detail, so there's nothing to hide here. Okay, over the past few weeks I have invested in and out of this, so it isn't the greatest indication of how well it's doing. I only have €910 invested right now. Okay, I did have roughly 3 grand into this, but I did move it from here to more kind of risky plays. Okay, I will make another video on that, on my growth stocks. Okay, but this is just relative to dividends part of things. Okay, so this is roughly a 2.5 month, roughly, I started in January, mid-January or so on. Not a very long time, but yeah, this is just to give you an idea of how well or how bad it is doing again. Okay, so we are up €29.11. Okay, 3.3%, which is actually very good. Okay, if you think about it, if you put in 10,000 into this, you'd be up right now, €331. That is obviously a nice lump sum, in terms of growth, but this is obviously not your growth stock. It is mainly for dividends. It is the safer side of things, but doing quite well. It is jumping up and down right now, doing its thing, obviously going up and down, even though it is a Sunday, market is currently closed. But yeah, in terms of dividends, this is a little bit more of the disappointing side of things. Okay, I went to history, dividends. Here you can see that right now we are on 256 of the dividends. Okay, it isn't really much. Okay, but as you can see, the first dividend I got was on the 4th of February. Okay, which was roughly three weeks in to roughly 3 weeks into when I started investing. Okay, and then the most recent one was 5th of March. Today is the 7th. Okay, the more notable ones, Prospect Capital, very good, 45 cents, is actually quite a nice chunk of money. Okay, it was one of the biggest kind of growth ones, and I've noticed, okay, I had before obviously moved the money out, I did have, I think, €100 into it, and it grew by 12%, which was up by €12 itself. Okay, I'll kind of give you a few tips and tricks on this. What you want to do is obviously put the chart into your account, but make sure to buy low and don't buy quite high when the kind of market's doing quite well. You can see all the dividends, obviously few cents here and there, but it is slowly adding up. It's only been nearly a month in terms of dividends payments. Okay, so it's really not much, but once the money starts going up in my portfolio, this will start going up. So this is kind of the way I'll be doing the video. It's obviously not a great indication of how well it's doing, just with the amount of money I have into it right now, but maybe next time it'll be more. But obviously, if you want to stay around, want to know how well this is doing, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll probably be making another video onto this whenever kind of times passes. If there is a big jump, I'll let you know. If there's kind of notable stocks that give a nice chunk, or if they don't, I'll let you know as well. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Thanks.